morning.
Them
Miss
beat Joan bad in the
Munchie.
comment, Munchie.
Yes, so when Miss Joan come this morning, and Miss Joan say,
Mm-mm.
diary later. Me I come mash up a place and I say, what? Me not go work then. Then Miss Joan call in. Miss Joan call in and say, look on my body. Me I start with my body first. I say, wait. Like Miss Joan come out tonight, come with a bag of things. When Miss Joan jump on the live with Candy, I say, our Father who art in heaven. Amen.
Oh, like this girl, you know. Why she's like this?
It's like
Oh, she
Jesus.
meant pray before she start apologize.
She prayed. She said to God, and if I lie, she tell. Amen. Then I see the crowd start fling some cherry and tomato. I said, come
And
down.
when she go say her little piece and no mention nothing about Camilla to when was that she go mention nothing about you go and post. Me think it's all about Colleen. And when she
So what
just
she say
start to
about
stand up
post?
and she no mention Colleen or Doobie or Booby, if people them start go off on the woman in the comment section.
What did she say about post?
No, man, when
She just apologize and
apologize
all
to you,
that.
go. And she said with pussy, she gonna take it to her grave. So she cuss her mother.
No, and of course she said post call her mother a lesbian.
Yes, the lesbian. So you're right. You're right. You're right.
See, this is what I try not to get involved with, because I love it two of them. But, oh God, may I tell you, see. May I tell you, see. She doesn't even come off the internet.
Yeah,
Because
Mr.
she
Tor
cannot
said,
manage the brutal truth, to be honest.
it not gonna wear like fear because she don't know how to really explain her story. So it's like, I feel like she that appear to the public like so she's a girl will take her friend man, which are the situation, but people that get that energy because she not talk a story, right? So but just after a while, I just get tired. I say, boy, I can't the Anglia show ya man, cause I can't manage no more. Cause I'm hungry.
God.
After a while, when me hungry, when I know say, I gotta look something to eat.
Why? I wonder if I can cook today in my week.
Then Pushy come over here, about Joan, you just flop yourself. Joan.
Thank God nobody name mention say Joan mention Puss name. Cause Puss come and start talk and Puss not even know the
Somebody else
fear.
tell her. Me not tell her, but somebody else tell her.
Me not tell
No,
nobody
she
not
come
tell her
over here
nothing.
already, Munchie. I'm not telling her she come over here.
No, she doesn't hear yet. Somebody's
Yeah.
going to tell her.
I need to tell you.
And I've been begging, me not gonna lie, I've been trying to cast a pick, cry the piece, I try to best. I thought, one time I start, I go let me vex just until it stop. Start, I play vex, and I go out with myself. Cause me no want nobody draw me push the cause you get me. Tell push listen to the voice note, then don't listen to the voice note, then delete it if I need to delete it. If I so be the case, me I'll tell Auntie Puss, black Joan. We say black cause enough in the conversation. So it one cause one another. Leave
Joanna
it
say
alone.
Puss a lie on her, say she chat about me and diary about Puss with plate. We don't
We
want to
don't
hear it
care about that the
anymore. We
party.
don't
We don't care
care.
about that party. That the party is simple. That they are just
No, we not care, but you know when Puss here, our people them go tell Puss what they want to tell Puss. We just
When
have
did
say
Puss
we
say
don't care
Joan
about
drop
the
tattoo?
vice note.
When did Puss say that?
Eh?
When did Puss say that?
Puss when step on our life said the last conversation she had with Joanne was about me and Diary and what we're doing to her and me fuck out.
I like you tell.
I swear to God, that's what Puss said. I was on a fake page and when Puss said that, me go up on my real page and start laughing and say because I couldn't comment before Puss went up on it live with them, our friend them. And you know all of them block me, so me over there on a fake page, but then them come off and Puss when they talk. And then when Puss said that, I go up
Now
on my
please
fake
guys, no
page
beg,
and
me
bust
beg
to
for you.
laugh. I say, Puss, if you
No
fuck.
please guys, the please guy. You need to stop.
Well, you
Honestly.
know what? Thank you so much, Miss Auntie Joanne. Say you never go too hard for me, and you never say my crutches get fucked out. Thank you. I appreciate it. No go hard for me, please.
I forget
Thank
somebody. You know what?
you.
That's why I'm
Go
not
hard
call
for
nobody.
chatting at me.
Because it's because me can go my own can go. hear other people are sneezing in them house, and you?
That's why pussy she fi stay out the people in back.
Why?
Don't worry, Joan, me not have your feet pussy forget for.
You're sneezing in my house.
So,
That's
Miss
God.
Joan. And on the manners candy. I love talk to Miss
Oh
Joan like
my God.
Unana,
You're
right?
not
Yeah,
so Joan man fuck too.
yeah, but don't, but Miss Joan
I
is a
know me can't
lady.
say
She
it. If
don't
she has
like to
to make
be
me I
out
get fucked
here.
out, why me can't say me fuck for fuck? You hear?
Candy get fuck out. Fuck out, Candy.
And you know, we
I
love
can't
foolishness.
bother.
We love the foolishness.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my
No,
word. Oh
man.
my days. Oh my days. Do not talk about my auntie. Hey, say Susie, I get upset here, you know. No, Miss Joan, it no matter if you cuss me or not. I don't care. I like you. I tell us the people what I like. I don't care. I could have to lift up my skirt 1 million times. I don't care. I'm still going to talk to Uno. I just need this.
Just banter. We're just a banter. Just a
Yeah.
laugh at the situation. Not,
I
not
know,
so
I
deep.
know you wouldn't say that about me, but as it relates to Candy, me just I say thanks, say, and leave and I say that
You're
about
right.
me.
You're right. You're right, Candy.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
watch,
sir.
watch a lady piss and go on your bed. Hey, Stallion.
So
You
then
know
what
what?
happened to woman shirt, so?
She didn't feel it.
Mister,
So then move strong. You see what I know? What I know? She move strong. That you
all
see
of them in I
Stallion?
comment. No, me never hear it. Me not care to hear it, Joan. Whether you say it or not, it's nothing. Them sitting there fun. And them sitting
No,
them why
no,
your people are
no,
people.
Miss Joe, I understand.
Oh, there we go. Yes, spin.
You know, what do you, what do you, I say I put alone, I call auntie on the internet. So when we call you auntie, what do you, push
Yeah, break up
for me, say,
diary.
no, back up. I forgot about diary, them no. So I just basically
There go
don't.
back in I see them spot.
But no follow puss,
I
and
know, go back in
puss
that
no follow
corner,
you,
ask
you no
somebody
follow
there.
puss. It don't know. I come out and I go like she want style it. And if you cannot manage it, leave it alone because calling
We can't hear you now.
people are start rub me
We
say
can't hear you good now.
my data no good. You can't hear me. Oh, okay.
Me believe she say it. Go
But hear you.
stallion.
No, me just glad say she get it right. I know say I can't do it all. I get the fuck out of
For crazy.
I can't bother.
I'm tired
Oh
of
my
people them sit down for my home now. So when me get a break, I'm happy about that. No problems. I can't believe she said that. Hey, Stallion, I say any day, you see Miss Joan lick you with a board, you see?
no, sir.
Who come for your live earlier, Candy, and Miss Joan start get rough on them and say, oh, yeah.
Anto.
Anto, feel it, man. Joan say, hey, girl, Anto, hey, girl. Yeah, I don't know. No, I mean, like that, Miss Joan. That's when bad girl start talk, we don't have to know herself. You know, Miss Joan
Yeah.
going sweet.
Murder. I'm glad to gangster grow me.
So show Miss Joan sweet right now on the field. So Miss Joan, like, the woman will cook cookies and put it out for you to eat. Like, here's some cookies, Miss Stallion, no?
Oh my
The cookie
God.
monster.
I missed the whole weekend. After event all weekend, I missed it star. Because of that woman. They make me sick.
Well, I must say, yeah, I forgot to try something. Kiki did sick one night up on Eli, like sick.
Everybody may have no pharma, cold and flu. Them Jamaica pill, they work good.
I'm gonna get day and night tomorrow. There's a pill named day and night over here.
But it's gonna make you drowsy.
I was supposed to be at work yesterday, couldn't go.
Yeah,
Because I
cause
wake up with
I
ice,
could
you know, I
be
wake up with
Jersey.
iceberg, I wake up iceberg in my nose hole, I mean, eye them swell up.
You know?
Oh.
I probably flew with them at talk, but in a month because them say I go around a lot.
I'm a weak, I need my hot me.
So Candy, did you pluck out? What that mean? A chicken? Yeah,
Yes,
she a
Susie.
plucky chicken.
Come to Susie. Oh, love for the food.
She said, Munchie, thank you, you know. Aww. Hold on, you come like me a break up. I mean, a break up or Munchie?
Oh, Munchie has been.
Munchie, I see the part there where she said, thank you, you know. It's not that you know, so we love more people and so yeah, but we not care, we not care. We like you and that's that. And the only reason I say we are going bad so because they ain't going like they want to come cuss you and take you for eat it. So we are trying to help out as much as we can. But you know, we can't manage this kangle here because this kangle here better than we. Munchie say for other, but
Other.
because remember saying a calling come from TG, you know, and our man come from
Sorry, Auntie Navle. I just want you to honest. Let's tell you something, Auntie Navle. It's all right, and it's not like you're a weak person talking about big face. Just I'm gonna always try to cry peace with people that I care for, people that I respect, or know that you know. But we've come from so far and gone through so much, Auntie Navle. You yourself I've gone through and I know the link and I know people and I know your family and all these things, and you probably know people from me as well, but not gone too far to know them. So I just honestly, you just need to, at your age, you just need to keep your grace. Just keep your grace. No, I'm going to do COVID test already. Just keep your grace and get off. Just leave it. Just keep your grace. Just move gracefully and keep what you do. Because at the end of the day, you reach one spot now where straight up auntie, your gangster needs to get soft because you're getting older. It's just the fact. Now saying a gangster, but you get soft. I know you're older now. You're more, and it's coming from such a great place in my heart, deep down. I swear, my kid's life. Like, just leave it alone.
boy, I look like calling gangster now get soft at all.
Joe Croft.
No, sorry, when he talk me free and when he say, a blood a pussy, I say, Jesus, please. I'm afraid. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, but matters me a cry piece. So that me to come and say, if you just come off, no matter.
Hey, me I come off of this.
Awa. That letter come, people.
Me I come down.
No, you're not come down.
No, me I come down for sure. I have things to do. Babe's here.
Are we having the fuck?
Munchie.
Yeah.
Munchie.
Yeah, present.
You say that you said me gangster water down. It's not about no gangster, not but me I tell you, me
You only hear
I be dead.
only what you
Munchie,
want.
you see me? Me I be dead. You hear me I tell you?
What
Me
you say?
Joan, I'm dead in this. Remember me tell you that.
Okay.
Here. Alright.
Alright then, yeah. Chef, dead in this. I love murder.
This is getting serious. This is serious.
I don't like diary, no diary lift up, no. Why? Me only can say down here, man. Me only can say down. Me can't say nothing else.
Ever hear us say you have to dead in this. And your young cocky sweet and nice and stiff for you. You're crazy. And Susie.
Me can't say no more than done, yeah. Me can't say nothing.
Then I listen.
See me one go and good girl, man.
Sexy husband there with him bow leg. You're mad dead in a
I
wall.
feel just said done. Me can't say nothing more, yeah, Baba.
Miss Joan, let me tell us something, because my mother
Joan no like them speech then about her thing water down. You see? So okay.
Oh, sorry, me I didn't even know to say that talk. Sorry, that's how I stop.
Okay.
Yes, my mother. My mother come from Kingston, so and she come from a family with a Tegaric them too, and badness and whatever. But she, you know what she tell me? When I say, "Mommy, oh, you make people we say this and that and you ignore them." You know what she sing to me? She say, "I promised my dad not to do the things he's done. Walk away from trouble if you can." Miss Joan, this is for you. Now it don't mean you're weak if you turn the other cheek. Wanna know a song?
Dari, you know this song, Dari.
Yeah?
I want to ask you one question. You sit down up here and ask you one question, Mama. Why would you tell Auntie, say, Auntie, all and this and thing, water? So why not tell Carly?
Who should attack? Who you attack?
Young
I mean,
Nyla.
you stop with Susie?
Yes, you me I go
You
stop
can't stop with me, Susie. I'm not even joking this morning. Honestly, I saw my kid's life. Don't try to twist nothing.
Guys.
Susie, don't twist nothing. I beg ya. I'm not even joking. I swear my kid's life. I'm not even joking. Don't twist nothing, Susie. Listen, I don't speak to Colleen. Colleen is not somebody I speak to. I'm going to speak to somebody I speak to. I don't speak to Colleen, Susie. Susie, I've never had a conversation with Colleen.
No, but you have to talk to Auntie more respect.
I never spoke to Colleen yet. Colleen is not somebody that I spoke to and ever will speak to. Do you understand?
No, you
But
can't.
What you saying to me?
Susie, remember before Munchie even said it, she said she's not trying to be disrespectful. She's just older.
I'm telling man, I don't like the entertainment, you know, I do man embarrass herself, you know. And that's what I like, you know. We don't like the joke and run joke and the woman embarrass herself and the woman a big woman is supposed to have grandkids and something, you know. Yo, stop playing with me, man. Me not run a joke, man. Me not running no joke. Me not running no joke. I'm not playing about. I'm not being disrespectful and I talk out my heart. Listen, don't twist nothing. Nobody come twist nothing. Don't twist nothing. It's not the time. It's not the. I'm not running no joke. I'm not running no joke. Yeah, come twist it like me. I disrespect woman. Me, Carly a chat. Carly's not my friend. Carly's not even an associate.
No, at the part where you say our thing.
It's just the truth. It's just the truth. The woman a big woman. She's gone past certain things. Oh, certain. Listen. You know that's why the woman embarrass herself. So continue. Can't make she continue listen to them. Make she embarrass herself. Simple as. Continue. She says she not done. She going to die.
Okay, Munchie. Oh, she embarrass herself. Oh.
What do you mean? Can you not see everything that happened on the internet yesterday? Come on. You, because no one continue to do it, so it's not going to seem like it's nothing. Have you not seen what's happening on the internet?
Yeah, but she not say no bad. She come out and defend herself, but she don't know to explain herself in the situation. But that not mean her thing water down. Cause my mother was 60 something.
My mother thing water down. My mother have 6 away. My mother thing water down. My mother say what and shit girl and all these things. And my mother thing what and my mother thing what listen, you don't want to take one, you want to take out tight. We don't take out tight.
Yeah,
if we don't want to rub, we can't do it. So we don't really care where everybody wants. So I don't talk, I never talk with the whole of my chest. I not hide and talk, I not hide and say nothing wrong. I not this, I don't talk, I don't talk. I say I not panic, I talk with the whole of my chest. The whole of my chest is stick right now, me I talk with.
I want me say.
Okay, so me don't talk, so it is what it is. Me not explain to no. Me not explain to what I say. Me don't say it already.
Me know what me say. Me not like how you talk to her.
So that is your business. You deal with it. Your
that's
feelings.
why me step up to the game.
Me don't need to talk to you about it. It's not your business. They never talk to you. I spoke to her. So go and deal with her and deal with your emotions. Not me to deal with it. That's the period. Yep, so different way. Different way. That's not nothing to do with me. Me don't know you. This is the internet. I don't know you.
I said what the fuck I said.
I don't know you. This is the internet. I don't know you. All I need to do is click off this. You know what me have to do? You know what I have to do, Susie? I click off of this and click the X up top and I don't say ever again.
No, talk to Joan.
Man.
Boy, you eat up it on the street phone. Oh, you're boring. Oh, pussy girl.
Oh,
Lord God, can we just have peace?
You see where people genuinely look out and talk to people? When you teach that everything or everywhere. When it's problem. They have problem, yeah.
Munchie, you see Joan coming? Hold on there, you see Joan coming?
I see Joan comment, you never get me comment back to you. You, I swear upon my two baby them, Joan, you would have never get me comment back to you or even highlight you or even look upon you ever again. I swear upon my poop in their life. God, kill me if I look back upon you, Joan. I swear to God, if I ever look back upon you, God, kill me, I'm a pity them. Where people genuinely be nice to you and genuinely look hopeful, you really want to twist nothing. I will never look back upon you, lady. Never. You better delete all yourself off of my page too. Move from here, sir.
I want more over here, sir.
You're too wicked. This is what I mean and them want to come twist. I will never look upon you, lady. But
I want
to be vulnerable. You want to act like you're vulnerable. Other people just talk to you. No, man, diary. The two wicked come and literally generally like that. So just done. I said nothing wrong. I 100% said nothing wrong. I'm not asking, I'm not nothing wrong. I know that.
So what happened, Munchie?
The woman there said to Joan to stop because at the end of the day, yeah?
So Susie, let me hear a little of Susie. What happened?
Can you tell who so me say, please? Because when me get to
Munchie was telling Joan
Susie, calm down, little Susie.
Susie, me can't get a chance. Give me a second, Susie. Munchie was telling Joan that she's older now, like we just leave the situation because it's gonna get worse, you know. And Munchie said because she's older, no disrespect, she said your thing water down now, so you just need to just stop all of this nonsense and back and forth.
But so that's a fact. That is true.
Munchie saying her thing is watered down.
Hold on, Susie.
Munchie saying this her thing is watered down. That gets Susie upset and it makes Nadlet.
Yeah, but Susie, calm down, Susie. Susie, calm down, Susie. Calm down, Susie. Calm down. If this woman come out say she's not no mongrel and she don't get up, why she come on, Susie, man? Susie, give somebody else a thought now. And stop making look like people are war. We are civilized people, man. Morning. Morning, people. Listen. Hold on. Me not come for beat nobody at all. But I just come anybody want jump on me knees. I just jump for jump. Me not come for beat nobody at all. Me just come for see where I go on. And you know, say I saw the thing set up. Nobody we come as we are adults, we must can speak. But Susie, that not really, you don't have to be even like that, because let me tell you something. This woman, Joan, is the right thing Munchie say to her, where anybody can say to her. And if you have your friend and you can't tell him the truth, or your enemy, you are no friend. And I think that this woman is act like she's vulnerable. Everything she cry me a river, cry, baby moonshine, darling. And when you tell her the truth, she don't want to hear the truth. She start to be offensive and she want to be defensive. So, hold on, Susie, hold on, now, give me the mic, little now. She could have been with great-grandmother. She could have been our great-grandmother. Fucking leave Instagram, it not fit you. Move, come up, go away. And that Munchie say, move, go away. You're too blood clot, all fall, go away. Bomber clot, man. Nothing, Susie, nothing really Munchie use it in a better form and word. I don't see this. Listen. You cannot take, I say, you hear me say 2 days ago, we won't even disrespect this big old blood clot, wicked woman. I say to the woman, leave it alone because you cannot manage it because you're going to be defensive. You're going to be abusive on here. Remember, we rough and tough, Susie. Hold on, Susie. Me and you rough and this woman is not here. She says she's not a mongrel. You have to be a mongrel to be out here. But Susie, you're not. If she could have been your mother, tell your great grandmother, say leave the Instagram alone because she's gonna abuse herself.
She's not a great mother.
She's triple time great grandmother because me a grandmother, and she a grandmother, father, mother, grand. Tell her leave the fucking place. Tell people the truth. We must tell people the truth because this woman not hearing the truth. She believes say. She keep coming in. She needs to hear the truth. No disrespect. The woman needs to hear the truth. She cannot take the rackle tackle, Susie.
All right.
She cannot take the fire too hot for her. Relax, ladies. Stay in the comment and watch and don't say, don't get involved. Because listen, when them a drag you there, drag your ear, drag your there, and you all wanna go in your bed, go cry to your puppy and your something, or the people them at the care home where you there. When don't want be care, when don't want be friend with them people, then I care them like oh you're a mongrel. Allow the mongrel them out here and lift up, man. And Munchie don't say nothing wrong, and people must be truthful when people speaking. And that's why we have all of this confusion, because some people say the truth and them not talk the truth. Nothing wrong with what Munchie said. You're old, I should make sure you use it in the right contents. Take yourself away from the situation.
Respectfully, it's not like she just said, oh, you think water dog. Like she just said respectfully, you need to get off this, blah, 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 la, 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 la.
Me not like that, because no.
And that is true. And that is true. It's true. Come on. Mr. Joe.
Get me off your life, man. Just take me off your life.
It's true, because this woman is been here so long, she barely can talk. She barely can construct an argument. She barely can explain herself. When she look at the phone, she take 3 years for looking at the phone. She barely you have to get off. Please get off. Get the fuck off, bro. Why you keep making yourself be lickly yourself for what reason?
Because she never liked the statement. Because she never liked the water down part, diary.
She is water down. You is water down.
This is how people negative, latch on to negative. One word was said, but all other word, you know, them not put it with it. So them pick out one word. Just them start a problem. But as I said, I'm not going to talk again. You will never
take her out when she come down.
Okay. And if you're not block me, I block you. I take you off my page. I don't want to see your comment. I don't want to see you. I gotta take her Susie off my page as well, because Susie can put gas on it as well. It wasn't a negative thing. It wasn't me being nasty to her. It's me genuine with
nobody stop old people from using Instagram.
My grandmother or my mom on here for people to
nobody can stop nobody
and all them things there.
Nobody stop nobody from use Instagram. I'm saying at this moment of time. Yeah, hold on, Munchie, let me speak. At this moment in time, this woman is getting dragged back right, friend, and nobody defend her or dragging. Nobody not even entertain and listen to Susie when Susie argue. Nobody have no deep with Susie. So Susie could have cussed her. It's not defending her. Nobody not gonna come here and stand up. Okay, stand up, get up. Nobody going to defend you. Nobody defend you. You only bring down yourself, and you're going to go and go brawl, and you're going to feel away, and you're going to upset. So it don't make no sense you come to something if you don't stand up to it. So when people cuss you, you can't cuss them back, and then you go and you cuss back. You're not up to it, so nothing wrong what you said. Because you've been playing vulnerable, acting vulnerable, and then you come up and say, and then the worst thing is you call up God's name. Stop calling up God's name. Stop calling up God's name.
Munchie,
yeah.
You pay my bills?
Lord, Susie, Munchie not argue with you.
Munchie, you see I go block me. Hey, girl. Hey. Yo.
Me no want no gunshot fire today.
Munchie speak right now. Susie not argue with you.
Munchie, I don't have a problem with you. No, my problem with you when you.
Susie, I pick one word out, Susie. Munchie, I said a whole sentence. If I was writing down,
what she feel orange peel? She feel old orange peel. It's Italian.
Whole paragraph. I'm not gonna argue with Susie because I hurt me now.
I just know like
but she never disrespect the elder.
True, me never remember.
You need to tell the elder the truth.
Come on, now, you know.
Lady, go and go piss and guy your bed. Piss and guy your bed. You barely can't talk. Take out your teeth and put in the water.
It's okay if she wants to be mad that Munchie said that part, but the way Munchie said it, she never said it anyway mean. It came from a place of caring. Cause all
and
day Munchie come off of the live, don't do no live or no live.
Yeah, don't do no live. Because you're not bringing down nobody, you're bringing down yourself because the people Because listen, you come out say you
Bloody
explain
ass.
yourself and nobody believe you. Nobody believe you, not even one. Nobody believe you. Can you know why nobody not believe you? You do not take no responsibility at all. You try to shift the blame for everybody, not even one at a time you not say, yeah, me and the inner teens. Even the same Susie I said to you, say, yeah, man, you didn't like the man. You try not to take no. Everything was him. No, it was two way. If your man sent 3 texts, 4 texts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it must be deep. Me can see 1 hour, 4 texts. But if him gone to him hood, I want to continue after the hood. You're both enjoying it. When I talk about the time until you screwed out your little old front, when you come from Jamaica and a ball and I say, you make me go married, or you make me go married. Because if you tell if you run the again, woman, I make me hear you there. Stop the nonsense, man. Stop it. You're a friend killer, you're a friend enemy. A lot of things you do, woman. So stop come go on vulnerable. You're not vulnerable. You're a wicked piece of serpent. Why your daughter Mercedes hate you?
Post up on
Eh?
Sunday.
Come off of the internet. Why do you ever talk to him nice and decent? Come off of the internet.
Post is Sunday.
Nobody
Stop.
talk about none of that part. Them
Yeah,
too.
man. Just stop post, please.
But you love come talk to people are mongrel. So why you want to mix up? We are all mongrel here.
Push
Leave the
never say
mongrel
right
then.
now on this live. Push never say mongrel.
Me don't care what she said all the way. Oh, yes, she said earlier. I don't deal with mongrel. They're mongrel. I don't like the ghetto. I don't do the ghetto. Bit. Listen, lady. Stop,
I'm in the
man.
comment
You must
section, man.
hear.
I'm tired.
You must hear sometime. This is not for you because you only are bring down yourself tomorrow. Why you even about? You're going to interview when the people might interview you. You are trying to push everybody under the bus, but you're not taking responsibility. There's something you can say.
They do no interview. The woman says she had pressed her live and then it pressed 4 times in the end of work. So me tell her me host it for her.
Oh. But come on, man. Not one time you wrong. Not one time you never have none. When I tell them say, yeah, say fear man suck, but your man no suck. Come on, bro. You can't take up for no man. Man is so dangerous. You can't... Because other people are telling me. No, people tell me. Now when we get screamed
You
with
are
her.
under your fake page.
Me not have no fake page, lady. Me not do fake page. I do not do fake page, Susie. Susie, Susie, no, I don't have fake page, Susie. I never have a fake page.
No, me not think so, cause if Puss were here, our name and you go name Puss would have come out for under fake page. You know Puss can't hold our mouth. Puss was not here.
So see, you don't understand my name. Did I call it? Did I ever hear my name? I call it that ear about it.
Trust me,
No,
she
a lot
named
of
there.
people tell me like, but I was sleeping, but somebody send me clip. But me never get no clip with me and you go name. So me and you